In this video, I will show you how to completely uninstall Anydesk. This is applicable to any Mac operating system. I've been trying to figure out how to completely uninstall Anydesk on this MacBook. Every time I do the standard uninstallation process, and when I try to install the app again, it's still showing the old address, alias, and even the recent sessions and favorites. We will do first the standard uninstallation process. Before we uninstall, make sure to quit the application even on the dock. We have different methods on how to uninstall the Anydesk. First one is open the Finder. Go to Applications window. Search for Anydesk. Right-click on it, then move to Trash. Make sure to empty the trash after that. Another way is by just dragging the icon to the trash. Also, empty the trash after that. Alternatively, we can use an application like this AppCleaner. I've been using this to uninstall some of the applications. This is also free to use and free to download. Simply open the application. Drag the application you want to uninstall or remove. What I like with this application is it will show all the things that will be removed. You can browse the contents that will be removed if you want, then tick Remove to proceed. Verify the process by entering your password. We need also to empty the trash. After the uninstallation process, then restart your computer. All those uninstallation methods will not completely remove the Anydesk application. We need to manually delete some of the leftovers. If we try to install the application again without deleting the leftovers, then we will receive the same settings. The Anydesk address, the alias ID, the recent sessions and favorites will still remain. In short, all the previous settings will still be there. Make sure you uninstall the application and eject the disk. Now, let's delete the leftovers. Open the Finder, or at the top of the window, choose Go. Choose Go to Finder. Search for ~/.anydesk. You can copy this path on the description box below. Double-click on the result to open. We need to delete all the contents of this folder. Select all, then choose Move to Trash. We will empty the trash later. We still need to delete one more folder. Open the Finder again or do the same process. Now, search for /etc/. Double-click the top one to open the result. We can find here the Anydesk folder. Delete the folder or move to trash also. Enter your password to verify. Let's empty the trash. The Anydesk should be completely removed. If you still have some issue, then clear the cache. Now, let's test to install the Anydesk again. Since we completely remove the leftovers, then we will no longer receive the previous settings. It's like a fresh installation already. We received a new Anydesk ID and all the configuration settings has been removed. You can check my other video for the full tutorial on how to install and how to use Anydesk. Well, that's all for today's demonstration, and I really hope you liked this video. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and click on the notification bell for more amazing tutorials. Thank you and see you in the next video.